How to make smooth slow motion video on CapCut PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can make a smooth slow motion transition to your CapCut videos. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your CapCut app and make sure that you have selected a project to work on. As you do so, click onto your project and you will see audio speed animation. Head over to speed tab and you by default might be on a normal tab, and make sure you switch it to curve, and here select any one that you would like. Now if you scroll below, you can also see the duration and the waves from which the video will transition into, and you can increase or decrease the wave as per your need. In case you would like to choose a different wave, you can click on to jump cut or flash in. And just like so, this is how you can create slow motion transition in your CapCut videos. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.